Okay, today we're back at the open prison, the Department of Correction, and this place is the One Rai self-sustainability garden. So if you've got one rai, which is not a lot of land, you can self-sustain. So let me show you around, see what it's like. Small pond with fish.
Look, Japanese one.
Japanese
Bean.
Japanese beans.
Yeah, I love it.
I've never seen those. To get a cutting. Okay, there's some perennial spinach, I see. Over here. Some compost tea.
เราต้องมีแหล่งน้ำในพื้นที่ครับทฤษฎีใหม่กำหนดไว้ว่าพื้นที่ 100% ควรจะมีน้ำ 30% นะครับ 30%
Papaya.
ถ้าเราไม่มีบ่อน้ำในพื้นที่เลยไม่ว่าเราจะปลูกอะไรมันก็คงลำบากครับถ้าเราทำแหล่งน้ำเอง
So they're using straw. There's a mulch. Just growing a small crop straight into that. Seeing kapow. Beautiful big leafy greens.
Yes.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Some onions. So there's a lot of raised beds in this. A lot of raised beds.
Yes. That's very good.
They've all looks like they've got a drip irrigation on them as well.
Yes.
Straw. And then there's a few trees, there's a pomelo. Look at the flowers on the pomelo.
Yes.
And lime, lemons.
This one already, yeah. Why don't we pick it?
So there's a government office here. Having a look today, learning. I don't know if I got him. What have we got over this side? So we've got some squash over here. There's a bit of a compost hill. Yeah, it's a bit of a compost place. The compost pile's got some Malabar spinach in there, some squash, lots of eggshells in there as well. So it looks like they're going to, this raised bed here, they're just throwing all the crap in it. You can see all the leaves and egg boxes, all kinds of stuff. Charcoal. So they're creating good soil. Good work. All organic. Lovely.
อันนั้นต้นอะไรอะคะไอ้พวกที่ใส่ในกระบอกอะ
10 วันจะล้าง
So in here, they've got a bunch of crickets. So they're in egg boxes, cardboard egg boxes, and they've got the greens on top. And then as I walked up to it, they all moved and dived out the way. But there's a couple of these beds about the size of a pool table, full of crickets, which are super high in protein. So if you want to eat bugs, that's the way to go, and that's the way to keep them. And you just get those. I don't know how you kill them, but then you fry them up and eat them. I actually had them myself. I've had them fried. They're okay, and I've had the powder form as well, which is a lot easier to digest and mixing with some porridge or something like that for extra protein. But yeah, if that's the way you want to go, bugs, easy to keep, easy to grow, low impact, super high protein and very low on damaging the environment. Not like cows or anything like that, no methane.
ไม่ให้น้ำมันครับงั้นเดี๋ยวมันจมน้ำหมด
with the water wet for them to drink
All
they
right.
cannot keep the pot because they will die
Yeah, yeah. Coconut coir and water.
yes and the vegetable is already
It's crickets.
can use the Xbox reuse
Yeah, yeah. See, it must be
ตัวนี้ยังไม่ออก
thousands.
ปีกครับ
this no any yet how you call
No wings.
Mm.
Really young.
Older
So these are young ones and they go into the
Yes,
box that
young.
previously filmed. So it's here.
กรงนี้จะออกปีก
ใช่จะเปิดได้น้องจะวิว
So we've got solar cell and then a small pond here, which is where they
ปัง
ว่าก็
breed snails.
เฮลเนี่ยบิ๊กก่อน
Oh, there's a big frog in there as
อ๋อ
well.
กินได้เหรอ
Huge.
อ๋อแคนดี้เป็น
Frogs and snails edible.
แล้วมีกบด้วยอ่ะแล้วก็บอกกบลองแกบอกกบ200 piece
ฮะ
200 of them
200 frogs?
แต่เดี๋ยวนี้ที่รีมันเบอร์อะไรเนี่ย
ยังครับกำลังขึ้น
Mulberry. It's the peppercorns. So we're in a mushroom farm. And a bit late in the day. It's way after lunch, mid-afternoon. But there's still a few here. So it's just got like his damp room. It's just a basic structure with some shade cloth, drip irrigation, and then these little pots, like sand or something, some sort of soil. I'll find out what it is. And mushrooms are growing straight out of there. Easy to make. It's quite a big place, but it is on a very small scale. Don't need that many mushrooms every day.
ยังโอ้ยจะให้ไปเล่นเหรอไม่ใช่ก็อย่าไปหวังได้เปียกแน่ไม่ทันหรอกหน้าฝนแบบนี้อันนี้ก็ต่อมาดีเนาะมันจะเป็นยังไงนะ
Some solar cells. We've got
แผงไฟ
some
ก็ไม่คงไม่เท่าไหร่
dragon fruit.
แผ่นนี้ก็แผ่นละ
ก็ไม่เท่าไหร่ถูกไหมเนาะแล้วเราก็เอามันไปต่อเข้ากับ
A few ducks, eggs and meat. Good for cleaning up the garden as well.
นี่หาลำพลายัง
You got a slug problem, snail problem.
วันนี้อันนี้เนาะสุดดีเขาก็แบบราคาก็สูงแต่ตัวไม่คุ้มเลยที่คือก็ไม่คุ้มเขาแพงไปตัวแบบตัวนิดเดียวเองขายแพงมากเลย
Even got a couple of pigs in here, 3 pigs.
อันนี้เราก็กินมาได้เหมือนกันเนาะ
Hello.
มันไม่มีแผลเลย
Oi,
อ๋อมัน
กันแผล
จะแพง
แล้ว
ไหม
ก็ยังเอา
what's up?
ไอ้ดินมันเอาทำปุ๋ยได้ด้วย
อ๋อนี่คือยูเต็มไอ้เนี่ยเดมเครย์เหรอฮังกี้ไงอยู่ไง
เนมอูดเนมยีดเนมออส
อ๋อ the name อูจีสอน
ดินออส
โอ้โห
Oi,
ไอติ๊กนะ
โอ้ย
โคเบนอะไลคิดอะ
oi,
รันเลยโคเบน
happy
เลย
pig.
รันเลยโคเบนเลยอะโอ้เดี๋ยวนี้ยังทำอันนี้อยู่ใช่ไหมคะ
Black soldier fly.
ทานต้ม
Oh,
แกมีแต่
what do they use these for?
ใช้ for ไอ้เนี่ยแหละ
Chicken food or something?
no เอ้ยให้ไก่กินเหรอ ไม่
ไว้ให้ปลาดุก
อ๋อ for catfish
ปลาดุกไก่กบ
Ah,
กินได้หมด
feed catfish.
อืม
Alright.
นี่ดิอ๋อ
Ah,
เวลาแพง
นี่เราเอามาจากนู่นเศษข้าวเศษอะไรพวกเนี้ย
chicken from Poland. Fancy chickens? Nice hairdo. Not like the Beatles. Boom. So we got these at the farm. You can see at the back there, there's loads of them swarm.
บ้านเราอะ
But these are the stingless Thai bees. Tiny little bees. Loads. Oh, that makes a good house for them, an old speaker. You see, just see around the back of the boxes, there's literally swarms of them. Very beneficial for your garden, the best honey in the world. Bit bright, but there's a red wiggler there, and they've got loads of beautiful, beautiful compost. So where do we go here? Beautiful dark compost. That's from the worms and castings. Awesome. So they buried a half a papaya in there for the worms to eat. Got some nice dill going on there, and some bitter gourd, I think it is, on the fence line.
แกะไม่กินเนี่ยเหรอคะ
ใช่ มันก็เหมือน มันก็มีเหมือนถั่วเดียวกับแป๊บซี่ว่าเสือโค้งยังไง
Bilimbi. Nice fruit, super sour. And here's some with flowers.
Watergate
อ๋อวอเตอร์เกส
Watercress.
ภาษาต้องเต็มว่าไง
วอเตอร์เกส
โอ้โห
เยอะเลยอ่ะ
So, there we have it. One rye, self-sufficiency. Got some good ideas from that actually. Definitely going to get a small ong and do some mushrooms. So, probably find out a small ong on the way home actually. Get straight on it. We've got fresh mushrooms pretty much every day. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, if you've just got 1 acre, I mean, so one rye, not even 1 acre, it's like a third of an acre, a quarter of an acre, you can be pretty much self-sufficient. Animals, all systems basically, animals, vines, vegetables, all good. Alright, that's the end of this video. Got to get out of jail. See you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Catch you later. Bye.
Is that all this?